In the previous episode, I showed you how to create an AI voice calling agent.
Morning, this is Alex from Auto World Service Center.
Hey Alex, I need to schedule a routine maintenance appointment for my car.
Great. Would you prefer to bring your car to our downtown service center or the one on the east side?
I'll need an appointment for the East Side Service Center.
Thank you for letting me know. I'll transfer you.
If you haven't watched that video yet, you can click the card at the top of the video or find the link in the description below. Today, I'm going to show you how to start a conversation with your AI voice agent. Don't skip the video. You might miss some important tips. This is the dashboard you'll see once you create your AI bot. Here, you can view call details and analysis, like performance achievements and progress. You can also adjust the analysis period if you need. We already set up the configuration menu in the previous video. Today, we'll focus on the prompt menu, and this is the most important part. When a call starts, you need to tell the agent how to talk with the customer, the tone, the style, and everything else. You can add all of this inside the prompt. If you prefer a visual format, you can click Flow Designer. Otherwise, you can continue using the text-based prompt. You'll start with a greeting message, for example, how the agent greets the customer when the call is answered. In the prompt, you can also set up agent details, name, role, and goals, location and communication style, target audience, key questions or information you need to gather from the customer. There's also a shortcut. You can use templates. There are many available: inbound, outbound, and more. Just select a conversation style, click Apply Prompt, and it will be added immediately. Another powerful tool is Ask Copilot. Here's how it works. Choose the categories you want to include. Click Next Step. In Step 2, you add basic company information, target audience, and objection handling. Step 3 is to generate the prompt. And you're ready. In today's video, I showed you how to create a conversation prompt for your AI calling agent. In the next video, I'll demonstrate how it works in action and show you how the AI agent reacts during real calls. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below. Also, check out our channel. We share lots of AI tips and tricks to make your work easier. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our next upload.